Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install another vulnerable application from OWASP to master your API hacking skills. It's called crAPI, the completely ridiculous API. This application is not that old and not that known like OWASP Juice Shop, and this is exactly the reason why I personally want to try it out. So let's not waste any time. This is a video guide, so let's get straight into it. That's it, crAPI is up and running on port 8888. But getting it installed is the easy part. Now the real work starts. You can train your skills by solving crAPI's own challenges with the link in the description, or go the black box route and hack the API from scratch with 0 hints, exactly like a real pen test. If you get stuck during recon, check out my REST API hacking guide. It won't hand you solutions for this specific app, but it'll remind you which techniques to try. If this helped you out, drop a like. It really makes a difference for a small channel like this one. Thanks for watching and happy hacking!